In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to burn any file to a CD using Windows XP and the computers in the Modern Languages Media Center. Many students will be required to record a disk with their Photostory project. When you have the final version of your Photostory prepared, you may get a blank CD from the college assistant or some other of the lab staff, and that's what you would use to burn your Photostory project. To start, make sure you have the Photostory saved and a blank CD, which you can get from the staff at the Modern Languages Media Center. To begin, right-click on your Photostory, go to Send To, and click DVD-RW Drive. Any prompts that come up, you can click Yes. Then you would double-click on My Computer, double-click on DVD-RW Drive, and then you should see your Photostory file, and to the left of it a link that says Write these files to CD. You will click this link. You can click Next on the wizard window, and Windows will let you know if the disk that you put in the computer is being read or not. So at this point, I'm going to open the CD tray, put in the blank CD, and close the tray. Then I'm going to click Next. Windows will then take a second to read the CD and make sure it is in fact blank. At that point, it'll automatically start writing the data to the disk. Once the wizard completes, you'll see this screen that says you have successfully written your files to the CD. At this point, you can click Finish. You should see a blank window where the D drive is, and then you will then remove and reinsert the CD into the computer you're working on. This step requires patience, as Windows now has to read the CD. Once the CD has been read, you will then see your Photostory. It will no longer be grayed out, and Windows will prompt you with what you want to do. If you do not see either of these prompts while in the lab, please ask for assistance and somebody will help you in making sure that your CD is in fact burned correctly and that the file does work. At any point, you can double-click the video file to make sure that it plays. That's all that is needed to burn your Photostory or any other file to a disk using the Windows XP based machines in the Modern Languages Media Center. As always, please feel free to ask any questions to the lab staff.